Good morning, children. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the answers of book exercises. So, in this one, I will talk to you about exercise A and exercise B, as I have already taught that to you in the last class. So, this is only covering two exercises of this chapter. I will make other videos for the next two exercises. So, let us start discussing exercise A. So in this exercise, you had some declarative sentences and you were asked to change the declarative sentences into interrogative. The rules were taught to you in the last video. Let us see how will we do this. The first one is Sheila is my best friend. This is a declarative sentence. Now I taught you the rule that in interrogative sentence first you will write the helping verb, then you will write the subject. Okay, so helping verb over here is, yes, and the subject is Sheila. So is will come first and then we will write Sheila. So my answer will be, is Sheila my best friend? Alright, so because what we are doing, we are changing the position of the subject and the helping verb. Subject is Sheila, helping verb is. In interrogative sentences, you first write the helping verb, then you write the subject. Okay. Next one. Rahul and Amit are going to the school fest. So here subject is Rahul and Amit. Both of them, they together make the subject. Helping verb is are. Okay. And main verb is going. So I taught this to you in the rules also, that when you have a main verb and a helping verb, both of them, then what will you do? First you will write the helping verb, then you will write the subject, then you will write the main verb. So helping verb is are, so are will go first. Subject is Rahul and Amit. Rahul and Amit will come in the center, then going. So answer will be, are Rahul and Amit going to the school fest? Next one. My brother is in class 12. Alright. So my brother is the subject, is the helping verb. So again helping verb will go first, then comes the subject. So is my brother in class 12? He has finished practicing his music. So again there is a main verb and there is a helping verb. Helping verb is has, main verb is finished, subject is he. I taught you the sandwich rule, that the subject becomes like a sandwich between the helping verb and the main verb. Helping verb comes first, then subject, then the main verb. So answer will be, has he finished practicing his music? Next one. Fiona has stopped going out in the heat. So again this sentence is like the previous one. Helping verb is also there, main verb is also there. Apply the sandwich rule. Answer will be, has Fiona stopped going out in this heat? Okay, subject comes in between helping verb and main verb. Next one. She never goes out when it is raining. Now you have to go back to the rules that I had done with you. In the rules, there was one part which said that if in a declarative sentence you have the word never, then it will become ever in an interrogative sentence. So if declarative sentence has never and you change it to interrogative, never will change to ever. Alright, so how will we change this? We will make it, does she ever go out when it is raining? Okay, so goes will be split into does and go. So does she ever go out when it is raining? See, never changes to ever. Next one. She is no fun when she is in a grumpy mood. Okay, so she is no fun when she is in a grumpy mood. Again, there was a rule that if there is no fun, alright, no is there, it becomes any. If there is no in declarative sentence, it becomes any in interrogative sentence. So how will we change this? Is she any fun when she is in a grumpy mood? Okay, so what are we saying? Is she any fun when she is in a grumpy mood? No changes to any. Next one. Diane is no fool that she will fall for your trick. So I just did this rule with you, that if there is a no in the declarative, it becomes any in the interrogative. So I will say, is Diane any fool that she will fall for your trick? Alright, no becomes any. Helping verb goes first, then comes the subject. This is all the answers for exercise A. Match your answers. I told you to do the exercise in the rough copy. Correct your answers. If you have got some incorrect, no problem. This is the first time you're doing it. Correct your answers and then do this exercise in your English 1 copy. You will do it in the same way like I have done. You will put the exercise number, you will write the chapter's name also, and like I have numbered over here, I have first written the question then the answer. In the same way, you will do it in your English 1 copy. Now, since we have completed exercise A, I am going to discuss answers of exercise B with you. Exercise B is on page number 11 of your grammar book. Here what did you have to do? Here also you were given some sentences and the directions are given in the book itself. After every sentence you have the direction that how you have to change it. First one is already done. So come here. This is a imperative sentence. Come here because you're giving an order and you have to change this into interrogative. So I taught this to you in the last video also. Come here will become will you come here? Alright. You will just ask will you come here? Okay. Next one. It is a great victory. So I'm saying it is a great victory. Victory means when you win something. Suppose you win a match or you win a race, it's called a victory. You have to change this into interrogative. Very simple. First you will write the helping verb, then you will write the subject. Helping verb is. Alright. So it will become, is it a great victory? And then question mark. Be very careful when you change into interrogative sentences, you have to put a question mark. If you don't put a question mark, you will lose your marks. Okay. Next one. Stop talking. What kind of a sentence is this? It is a command. So it is an imperative sentence. Okay. So when we change it, we will say, will you stop talking? We are asking somebody, will you stop talking? This is how you will change. Next sentence. Will you get away from the pool? Now this question is already in the interrogative form. Now you have to change it into imperative. So when you say somebody, will you get away from the pool? You are commanding. You're kind of commanding that person to get away. So it will change into imperative sentence and it has to be as a command. So we will write get away from the pool. We are commanding somebody. Get away from the pool. Next one, shut the door. This is also a command and this is an imperative sentence. So we will say, will you shut the door? Okay. I hope all these are clear. This is simple actually. Next, do not disturb me. This is an imperative sentence and it is a command. So when you change this into interrogative, it will become, will you stop disturbing me? Okay. Next, what a beautiful view. And it ends with an exclamation mark. So I'm sure you all know what kind of a sentence it is. It is an exclamatory sentence. Very good. And you have to change this sentence into a declarative sentence. So now this I had also taught how to change from exclamatory to a declarative. You have to change it. You have to make it like it is a beautiful view, where you are simply expressing it like a statement. Next one. Has she finished her work? Alright, this is an interrogative sentence because you're asking a question and you have to change into declarative. Now I told you that in interrogative sentence, first comes the helping verb, then comes the subject, which is already here in the question. For a declarative, subject comes first and then comes the helping verb. So we will write, she has finished her work because she is the subject, has is the helping verb, finished is the main verb. Okay. Last one. Is she your friend? This is again a question. Subject comes after the helping verb. So when you change into declarative, helping verb should come after the subject. Answer is, she is your friend. Alright, so these are the two exercises I have discussed with you in this video. Check your answers very carefully. It is no problem if you are getting something correct. You will just practice more and you will get a hang of how to do this. After you have done the correction in your rough copy, in your fair English 1 copy, do these exercises in the notebook in the same way as I've done over here. You will copy the question and then you will also write the answer. Do your work very neatly. Try to make no errors. When you're doing your work, keep your work very neat. In the next video, I'm going to discuss the answers of the remaining exercises with you as well. Thank you.